Hello everyone and welcome back to day 2 of the interview bootcamp. If you have applied to 100 jobs and received only 2 or 3 interview calls, this video is for you. Most developers think the problem is their skills. Some think they need another certification. Some think they should learn one more framework. But after spending 14 years in the software industry, leading engineering teams, interviewing developers, mentoring professionals, and working closely with hiring managers, I have realized something. The biggest problem is that most developers don't understand how companies actually hire. And if you don't understand the hiring process, you will keep improving the wrong things. Today, I am going to explain the complete hiring funnel, and, and in that funnel, I will show you how the companies follow before they decide to interview someone. Let's get started. Imagine a company posts a job opening. Within a few days, they receive around 1,000 applications. Now think about it. Can a recruiter interview 1,000 people? Obviously not. So companies start filtering candidates. This is where the hiring funnel begins. The first stage is the ATS. Yes. Now there is a big there is a big misconception about ATS. Many developers think ATS is some intelligent AI that automatically rejects their resumes. That's not completely true. ATS is mainly a system that stores resumes, organizes applications, and helps recruiters for their search candidates using keywords. Now, the real issue is not ATS. The real issue is that your resume doesn't clearly communicate why you are relevant for the role. Your profile doesn't match that recruiter is searching for, right? So, what the recruiter is searching for, you simply won't move to the next stage until unless you know that. Now, let's move to a recruiter filter. This one. And this is where a large number of candidates get rejected. Let me share something from my own experience. When companies hire for popular roles, recruiters often receive hundreds of applications. It's simply impossible for them to spend 5 or 10 minutes reading every resume. Most of the time, they spend only a few seconds deciding whether to continue reading or move to next candidate. They are asking very simple question. Does this person have required experience? Do they have the relevant technical skills? Is the resume easy to understand? Can I immediately see the value this person brings? If the answer are not obvious, within a few seconds they move to next one. Not because you are a bad developer, not because you don't have a potential, simply because there are hundreds of other resumes waiting. Now, suppose your resume clears the recruiter's filter. It reaches the hiring manager. This stage is completely different. The hiring manager is not impressed because you know Angular, React, Java, or Spring Boot. Thousands of developers know these technologies. The hiring manager wants to know one thing. Can this person solve my team's problem? Can they deliver features, handle production issues? Can they take ownership? Can they mentor junior developers? Can they work with product managers and designers? Can they make the engineering team stronger? That's what hiring managers are evaluating. Now, only after crossing this stage do you receive technical interview, and this is where many developers are making a huge mistake. They spend months learning another framework, another certification, another online course, but they ignore the earlier stages. Think about it. If your resume never reaches the technical interviewer, your technical preparation doesn't even get a chance to prove itself. You cannot clear an interview that you are never invited to. Now, let me show you something that completely changed my perception. Companies don't buy technologies, they buy outcomes. They don't pay you because you know Angular. They pay you because you can build scalable applications. They don't pay you because you know React. They pay you because you can solve business problems. They don't pay you because you are memorized interview questions. They pay you because you can improve performance, reduce bugs, deliver faster, and help the team succeed. So this is the mindset shift that separates software engineers, senior engineers from everyone else. Now let's talk about resumes. Most developers write what they did. Very few explain the impact they created. For an example, instead of writing developed dashboard, that I developed a dashboard, ask yourself what happened because I developed it. Did it improve performance? Did it reduce development time? Did it help customers? Did it improve user experience? Did it save engineering efforts? Instead of describing your tasks, describe your impact. Because companies don't hire tasks, they hire results. If there is one lesson I want you to remember from today's session, it's this: knowing technologies is important, but communicating your value is even more important. Don't just tell companies what you worked on. Show them the problems you solved. Show them the ownership you took. Show them the impact you created. That's what gets interviews. Now, here is your homework for today. Open your resume. Don't change the font. Don't change the template. Don't make it more colorful. Instead, read every single bullet points and ask yourself one simple question. Does this sentence describe my work or does it describe my impact? It is only describes your work. Rewrite it to show the value you created. You will be surprised how powerful that one change can be. Before you leave, I have a one question for you. At which stage do you think you are getting stuck? ATS, recruiter, hiring manager, technical interview, or HR? Comment below with just one word. If you found this session valuable, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with another developer who is struggling to get interview calls. Tomorrow in day 3, I am going to show you how to reverse engineer any job description so you know exactly what to prepare before an interview instead of wasting weeks studying everything. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in day 3.